I am going to enter the Super Scuffle, and I'm going to do a massive win.
And urgent sports newsflash there from Nova Jones. And we bring you this live reaction from her pop rivals, Johnny and the Monarchy.
Hey!
Hey, Johnny. And where are the Monarchy?
They're having a spa day.
So, Johnny, now that Nova's entered the Super Scuffle, everyone's forgotten about you winning the Planet Fantastic phone-in vote for Best Pop Star. How do you feel about that?
Oh, it's fine. Nova's great. Of course, she's never played Scuffleclang before, so she won't win, but...
Your influencer. The influencer? I ain't just any influencer. Copyright, trademark, I own the. Right, just to get you up to speed, megastar Nova Jones has written a children's book with less successful star, Johnny, of Johnny and the Monarchy. Don't Nova get crazy jealous of Johnny? I don't know where you heard that. Nova and Johnny have a great working relationship.
And then the purple pineapple says, I've got the best leaves ever.
And the peach says, sure, whatever you reckon, pineapple.
And the pineapple says, can't
We
just
go
home. And then the pineapple goes home and the peach is left all alone and all sad like he deserves. And can you please get over this skateboard thing?
And this is my diner. The chef's basically a baby. Beat that.
Weaknesses. Oh, don't. But do.
We've been doing this in every room. It's taking forever.
Diva, Donna. Oh, I used to be such a big fan of your music.
Used to? My music stands for all eternity. It's everlasting.
Oh, sure, but the new stuff? Fame comes and goes, doesn't it? I just became kind of a big deal myself, you know?
My cane! Where is it? Me and my cane can never be parted.
A tantrum on my ship. Why not me? You, come with me.
You can't be huffy with the world's best captain.
No, man. Whoa! Hey! Whoa!
Help! I'm doing awesome!
That, Johnny. And where are the Monarchy today?
They went out to buy loo roll.
That looks familiar.
Oh yeah, it's one of your old hair clips. I bought it at the Nova Jones memorabilia charity auction. So what do you think? Sis?
I think I don't want a brother. I don't need a brother, so stop being it right now. The sibling vacancy has been filled. Full, way full, to the brim, maximum capacity.
Sorry. The test says I'm your cool new bro, whether you like it or not. So.
Fine. I or not like it.
He's a diva, Captain.
He's not a diva. I'm the diva.
So, who's taking the first verse?
Me. I've never ever been second.
Well, I'm not going second either. Okay. 1 second. Here it is. How to do a duet with two super divas. It just says, don't.
You know I always hit the right note. And see if you can go low, low, low. You know I was born so I could put on a a show. If you're so ready, then you should prove it. Let's go. Get that confetti at the ready, get the bass so loud. You know I'm always stage ready, so bring on that crowd. Give me the spotlight, give me the spotlight. Give me the bass, you know you gotta give me the bass. Give me the spotlight, give me the spotlight. Move out of space, move out my space, yeah. I'm a timeless diamond, you know I always shine. Give me the spotlight. I'm number one, you ain't gonna compete. But when I turn it up, they all up off their seat. Everyone knows they're cheering just for me. Well, I'ma sing the chorus so everyone can see. Get that confetti at the ready, get the bass so loud. You know I'm always stage ready, so bring on that crowd. Give me the spotlight, give me the spotlight. Give me the bass, you know you gotta give me the bass. Give me the spotlight, give me the spotlight. Move out of space, move out my space, yeah. I'm a timeless diamond, you know I always shine. Give me the spotlight. You got need sunglasses just to watch me how I shine. I'ma shine so brightly you'll be blinded by the light. If you think that you can win, then you can think again. If you wanna beat me, well then you can get in line. 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 Give me the spotlight. Give me the spotlight. Give me the bass. You know you gotta give me the bass. Give me the spotlight. Give me the spotlight. Move out of space. Move out my space, yeah. I'm a timeless diamond, you know I always shine. Spotlight.
Question 1. Who are you wearing?
My own creation. It was on the third hanger to the left. I tried to buy local, but think global. So my clothes are...
Question 2. Where did you get those shoes?
Gummies. Gummies mean happiness. Gummies for everyone.
I think the bigger problem is that if everyone had unlimited gummies, that would mean a huge rise in dental appointments. Good point. Thank you. Thanks. Oh.
No! No!
Both very well argued points there. After some weak responses, McLaren is falling behind.
I do think there should be a huge Nova statue, don't you?
But you always pull a silly face when you pose for statues.
Nova pulls a very silly face when she poses for statues.
Nova? Is that true?
No. Look.
After an impressive response, McLaren is pulling ahead.
Could someone turn my light back on?
I see myself as a disruptor. Disrupt the system, change everything.
I do think the first duty of a president is to the people.
Disrupting your answer because I like my answer better.
I would like to add that. And also...
It's an excellent point. McLaren, do you have a view?
Honk?
Good answer.
Hello?
Polling suggests if votes are taken now, the winner would be Honk.
Honk's gonna win this. Hang on to your lollipops.
Well, Noah will win this, and when she does, she's going to remember who her real friends are, Larry. Sorry, Kelsey.
Show everyone photos of Nova's messy bedroom. If she can't organize her room, how can she organize the universe? It'll destroy her.
I think I should show... I think we should go to adverts.
McLaren, it's actually my decision when we go...
It's the toy that loves you back, the pet that never runs away. It's your very own Gurgle.
Nova, I need to talk to you.
What are you doing? I was beating everyone.
No, you weren't. Punk was winning because people love a clown. And I've been using the algorithm to cheat, which is so wrong.
You've been using the gorilla rhythm.
You can't say algorithm properly now.
I just don't want to.
I want us to drop out. Both of us.
I'm not tidying my room.
Nobody wants a president who won't tidy her room. But it also shouldn't be someone who steals everyone's lollipops. We could help Isla Very One win. Francis Fron totally backs her.
Of course you want the boring one to win.
Sensible. Sensible is good. Sensible is how I get you out of trouble every week. Imagine a McLaren for the whole universe.
Oh. When I imagine that, it's pretty great.
Isla genuinely wants to help everyone everywhere.
But she's boring. That's why nobody notices her. She just bores around boringly, being a bore, like...
I'll be your hero and I'll be your light. Give me your trust, I'll stand, I'll fight. I'll be in your corner and I'll lead the way. I'll be your sun on a cloudy day. All we need is love.
Terms and conditions apply. Movement kit only available while stocks last. It's the toy that loves you back. The pet that never runs away. It's your...
You can sing! A sensible who can sing. Why don't you sing? Why aren't you a singer? Can we get a spotlight and a microphone over here?
Oh, no. I just do that for me. I mean, I adore singing, but I want to be taken seriously. I got into this to make a difference, not make myself famous. People should ask for my help, not my autograph.
To help people, you're willing to, like, hide your talent.
That's why Francis runs the plans like you. They love a voice that can help them grow.
I just want to help everyone grow, but I guess I'm not gonna win.
Welcome back from the commercial break McLaren asked for. Honestly, after this, I'm going back to Kids TV, hosting the Gun Zone. Anyway, time for final statements. Who'd like to go first?
Me! Oh, shush. When I became president, I planned to go right back to singing. To let the universe just sort of get on with itself.
Just as I predicted.
And to beat Nova, I was going to show some terrible images. And I was willing to cheat. I was using fans' data to predict what I should do next. Be careful what you agree to online, people. Don't just click yes to everything.
And I let the captain lie about his big space career to win the oldie vote. He's 34.
You shouldn't vote for people like us.
But you can vote for someone who really cares.
Someone who isn't selfish. Like him.
Who'd sacrifice herself to make your lives better.
So, we're dropping out of the race.
Both of us. So everyone, vote for I Love Everyone. But I think I might deserve to be here. I'm awful.
No, you're not. No, but come on.
Nobody move!
I'm sorry, everyone. Turns out I love being a captain too much to hide it.
Hush now! You're all in big trouble. Imagine impersonating a police officer.
Why? That's what you're doing.
Okay, let's get you locked up.
No. While we were trapped in the electrical grids and the heating ducts, I figured it out. This is ridiculous. Like, why couldn't I find anything on the talent laws? Why did the inspector not let us call her head office? And who stands to gain from Nova being out the charts?
Oh, I know!
Is that the time? I must be going.
And who stands to gain the most from Nova being out the charts?
It was Johnny all along!
Wait, who is that?
This is my cellmate, Elspeth. Elspeth, this is McLaren. Sid.
Hang on.
Sensation!
So, not Johnny.
Nova Jones and her sister McLaren, spoiling my plans again. Ever since I quit, I'm going home, and you'll regret the day you ever insulted. Sensation, since you ruined my huge acting career, I've been plotting my revenge. A huge music career. I needed to get rid of you so I could be a pop sensation. So I made a talent detector on my old oven timer and used my acting talent to convince you I was the police.
That's why you went to the bathroom in the middle of the trial. So you could play yourself on the screen.
And you dressed as Elspeth, so...
So you'd give me all your career secrets? But you just droned on about how guilty you felt.
Why are we? So, I'm not guilty. But you made me feel really bad about being really good and about being lazy and vain and sick in a hat.
You should feel bad about those last three.
That's not even how you get into music, Mrs. Evil Impersonator. You don't make all the talented people worse. You have to be better.
Good management is absolutely the place to start. Someone who schedules your practices, posts your tracks to Spacegram, gives you honest feedback, build word of mouth.
Go on. McLaren, stop giving her tips.
And so began the trial of sensation. A trial people are calling, really quick, Jocelyn, she must be guilty. The trial lasted just 25 minutes. 24 minutes to watch the whole adventure back, and 1 minute for the jars of slime to deliver a guilty verdict. Neva Jones returned to pop superstardom and decided not to feel guilty about anything ever again. McLaren is working on reminding Neva not to do bad things, just in case. The Captain of the North is currently enjoying his 93rd year as a space captain.
I'm only 34.
Sensation is still stuck in her spaceship cell until somebody lets her out. Let's leave her a few more days, shall we?